Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix fail to connect to voice server in Phasmophobia voice chat connection troubleshooting. Fix 1. Sync your Windows system clock. First open your Windows settings menu by pressing the Windows key plus I. Now click on time and language and from there select date and time. Then toggle on the switch for set time automatically. Then click the Sync Now button under the Synchronize Your Clock section. Fix 2. Run Steam as an administrator. Fully close Steam by right-clicking the Steam icon in your system tray and selecting Exit. Now right-click the Steam desktop shortcut on your computer and click Run as Administrator from the context menu. Then launch Phasmophobia from your library to test the connection. Fix 3. Verify integrity of game files. Open your Steam library and right-click Phasmophobia and select Properties. Now click on the Install Files tab present on the left menu. From there, click Verify Integrity of Game Files and wait for the process to hit 100%. Fix 4. Set your default audio device. Press the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. In it, type mmsys.cpl into the box and press Enter to open Sound Control Panel. From there, go to the Recording tab at the top. Now right-click your main microphone and select Set as Default Device. Then right-click it again and select Set as Default Communication Device. Thank you for watching and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.